welcome back to another video. I know this isn't the intro phase you're expecting but yeah, another week, another vlog. I'm trying so hard to be active on my YouTube, so just gonna take you along with me, like do weekly vlogs and stuff like that. So today I'm just going to the shops to get a birthday cake with a candle or a hat that says 30, because I've not really celebrated Liam's 30th. When we were away in Albania, we didn't get him a cake, so just want to get him a cake and something that says 30 so I can take pictures of him, and then we will remember that he's actually 30 years. So yeah, just prepping my face. I haven't actually done proper skincare for some time now, so I just said I'll put on this mask. This is a watermelon mask. This Diprozin in my hair for dandruff. I have dandruff in my hair, so yeah, it helps it. Anyway, this week has really been busy. Work, work basically, and it's training. Oh my god, adulthood is a scam. I can't believe I wanted to grow up and be an adult. Adulthood is a scam. So yeah, I'm just gonna go to Home Bargains. It's not so far from here. It's a 1 bus journey, I think, maybe 10 minutes bus trip from here. I'll just go take this off and I'll show you my daily skincare routine. Be right back. Gonna use this Korean skincare. I think it's called Beauty of Jason Glow Deep Serum, Rice Plus Alpha Abitin. I don't know where you going. So this is my everyday skincare routine. My skin has actually gotten better, because if you knew me last year, I had like pimples all over here and here as well. I'm currently treating the dark spots here, so don't mind it. Now I'm gonna use this. As you can tell, it's almost finished. That. I really like it because it kind of gives me a glowy skin, like a glass skin. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Round Lab face cream. That much. Cost SPF 50. Don't mind the white residue, it would melt into the skin, just like that. Okay, so this is my skincare done. Just gonna brush my eyebrows. So this is it after settling for a few minutes. I'm just wearing this jean top, blue jeans, and some flats. Let's go. Just got to the bus stop. I'm waiting for the bus to arrive. It's Sunday service, so if you miss it, you're kind of in trouble. The weather is not so warm, so I just put on this leather jacket. I have this with me. So the bus. I think the bus is here. Guys.
Chase me close.
We're back the shop. I got him this here balloon. Yeah, 30 years. And this cake, Swiss Gâteau cake by Grwm. And we have some candles here for him. So yeah. What time do you want it? Okay. Come to my kitchen, yeah. I'm gonna make the shito. I just thought I would take you guys through it. So we have our onion. Gonna put lots of oil. Do you want to learn how to make it? You're gonna need a tomato paste. Just gonna pour. Because Liam is here, I don't have to make it really spicy. I'm gonna add my fish powder to it now. I bet you I'm not gonna use everything. I just need that flavor of shrimp in it, so I'm gonna use half. Yeah, that should be fine. If you're wondering why I'm using so much oil, shito is cooked with oil. Okay. So my food is ready. I have my kinky, fried egg, pepper, shito, sausages, sardine, ready to take it.
This, whatever's growing here, keeps growing out. The grass is over there.
Hey.
So all these leafy things are growing, not grass.
Hi!
Hi!
Coming to do inspection.
If you really want to.
At least now we can come to this side. Well done.
Some in the middle. That's the one you need to burn, boss.
30.
But
Turn on the heat.
boss, the 30s shy again.
Happy birthday. I don't know. Do it chocolate with another shoe. Go shawty. It's your birthday.
Am I sure?
Gonna party at like it's your birthday. Gonna sip Bacardi like
Boss, you're too slow, boss.
it's your birthday. Go shawty. Just put it anywhere.
It's pouring.
Jesus, I just blew everything.
Boss. Let's not put it back, just get rid of it. There are no candles.
Oh my god. Let's do it. Say you happy birthday. Happy
Birthday
birthday to me. Hip hip.
The way the wax has gone all over the place, you can't even eat it.
Hi, 30 years, man. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching. It has been fun, it's been busy, it's been everything, but yeah, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Trying to be active here, so see you soon. Ciao.